Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make some fried chicken. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm going to start by seasoning the chicken. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning or poultry seasoning. You can use whichever seasoning you like to use on your chicken. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of BADIA complete seasoning. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of ground pepper. Some paprika, and I'm using about 1 teaspoon of paprika. And I'm going to break an egg into this. I'm going to mix. And I'm going to let this marinate for about 30 minutes. In a different bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of corn starch or corn flour. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of ground pepper. I'm going to whisk this together so all the flavors combine. After 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken into the flour. You want to ensure this is nicely coated. And my oil is preheating at 350 degrees. You want your oil to be super hot to fry this chicken. At least 350 degrees hot. And you can test this out like this, and I'm going to add the chicken. And I'm going to continue the process with the flour, adding the flour to the chicken, just like this. Shake off the excess flour. And I'm going to add 3 at a time because I don't want the pot to be crowded, to lower the temperature. So I'm just shaking the excess flour off. And I'm going to allow this to fry until they're nice and golden brown and nice and crispy. These are beautiful. Look at the color. You want to cook this until it got an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Look nice and golden. Oh my goodness, look at this chicken. And I'm going to put them on a cooling rack so that they don't get soggy. These are so crispy. Look at the skin. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna add the second batch. As I said before, shake off the excess flour to the pan. Guys, this is my fried chicken, crispy and juicy. If you reach this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye guys.